Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply download and install the Depop application on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your App Store and simply search for Depop right over here. Once you've done that, simply tap on this application right over here and click on Get. Now, all you need to do is just go ahead and verify yourself, and the download process should go ahead and start. It's not going to take any longer than 10 to 15 seconds to download and install onto your device, so patiently wait for that. It's taking a bit longer than usual on my end here, so let me just go ahead and wait for that. And once it is downloaded and installed onto your device, simply go ahead and tap on open. And as you can see, the application is going to open. And now you can simply go ahead and log in or sign up right over here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.